Welcome to the Jamaica Comedy Jam. At this time, we gonna feature Brother Desmond and friends in this first time televised Jamaica Comedy Jam. Brother Desmond.
Jamaica, Jamaica, tell them Jamaica, Jamaica. Say Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean Sea. What beautiful is for you and me. Tell them. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot that we are part of our world. Anyway, considering the name of this program, you can expect anything. And when we say anything, we mean A-N-I-T-I-N-G. Anyway, now, Jamaica Comedy Jam is a program conceptualized by Mr. Devon Denton and directed by Mr. Junior Beckford. Now, Mr. Denton has been a long time record producer and he ventured into the play business with the hit play Sugar Daddy, and he is here now with this one called Brother Desmond, which will be touring your city, and you should be looking out for this one because it's bad. Okay, now Jamaican Comedy Jam is something that we would refer to as the lighter side of Jamaican life. Now, what you will see and hear on this program is what you might call like belly full talk or rum talk or maybe even belly full of rum talk. Anyway, you got to be prepared for this one because it's gonna be dangerous. Hey, you know what? I hear say the one villa carry the full ya but gone up a embassy. Figure get visa figure. Now see him luggage ya and him now left me. Me a go in a it. Once he get the visa, I mean no say must get it because it's a good link them up. Me a go in a one of the same thing ya. But one of the more safer. You might have problem man. Well, let me see now. Which one are the best one would have to travel in? Well, let me see now. Meeny, miny, more. Catch a luggage by in tour. At the right lip. At the right. Landing. They must discover me because I can't travel so. And I can't go bend up in that this year because next thing then go take too long to clear me. I don't believe this is the proper one to travel in at all. And a little bit of one way in this year. Only time I left here so I have no intention to come in.
What do you want Professor Star? No look for me, man. Sure.
Well, this is the
This look for me get me nervous, sir.
foreign mind. I must say that.
Boy, will you know you can listen in there?
Yeah, but what here?
Me hot, man.
Oh, you move some man. Just cool and calm down, man. Me don't show you the things.
Calm down?
Rude boy. Me say, you sit down here, sir, and me and my brethren run down here, sir. A peer contacts we have done here, sir, rude boy. Alright, let me go over it one more time with you.
Yeah, man, that's even for morning.
This when I go inside there,
Yeah.
I go talk loud. Now, it's everything where you hear with me say, more you answer this question when you go inside in the same sequence. Because the same way she can ask you the question then.
Oh.
Because me don't line it up already now. My brethren tell me how them ask the question them down there.
So anything you say, me must say?
You must say. See, from you go about it the way you can't go wrong.
Because anything she asks you, and he
same
ask
thing
me.
she ask me. What we have done here, sir?
Oh, me no know.
Contacts.
Oh, contracts,
And
yeah,
what
man.
you must get. Visa.
Yes, visa.
And where we must go. Foreign.
Oh. Me
See.
must get the visa.
And you must go foreign.
Oh, we must go foreign.
And you have contacts.
Because you
down
have
there, sir.
contracts down here.
Just remember,
Ain't that if it's a long time, man?
It's once I go inside there, sir.
Yeah.
Just listen to me. I go talk loud, very loud. And you hear what I say.
Yeah, man.
Follow the same order come down.
Same order.
You cool?
Mm-hmm.
Where we must get?
Visa, man.
Where we must go?
Foreign.
Where me have done here, sir?
Contracts. Are you near
Hold on,
Villa,
hold on,
man?
And we them a card. Me
We?
are going. Remember, you know. Contacts, visa, foreign, must go.
So if you come with you or something. Me I go and hold the seat till you come back here. I go and hold the seat till you come back. Lady, my seat, doesn't it? Woman, my seat, is stamp on your star. Get up from my jacket, man.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm going to ask you some basic questions. Your name, address, and so on.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Clive Barnabas Brown.
What is your address?
33 and a half Constant Spring Road.
Sir, I can hear you perfectly clear. You don't have to shout.
Sorry, ma'am. You're here? I mean,
How
you're
old
here?
are you?
What now?
How old are you?
36.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am. 3. I mean, 3, ma'am.
So, Clive Barnabas Jones. No, Clive Barnabas Brown. 33 and a half Constant Spring Road, the second one.
Okay, sir. We have decided to grant you a 10-year, quantity indefinite.
Thank you, ma'am.
Would
Sorry.
you prefer to travel by plane or boat?
Boat, ma'am. Definitely boat.
Boat! We don't want that. Boat.
Okay, sir. Enjoy
Yes.
your stay in the United States.
I will, ma'am. And you enjoy the rest of the
Clive
day. Thank you very much.
Barnabas Jones.
Next.
5 questions.
Next!
I must get visa. Must get my visa.
Next!
Must get
Yeah,
my
you the
contracts
matter.
like that.
Go on, man.
Me?
Yes, you wanna hear them say next.
Me don't know next time. Me don't hear about.
Number 28.
28. 28. I'm my number that, you know. I'm my number that. They could do some number call star.
Good morning.
Man,
Have a seat.
thanks.
Sir, I mean to sit down.
Oh. Me know that.
May I have your passport? Okay, sir, I'm going to ask you some basic questions, your name, and so on.
Ask me anything.
What is your address?
Clive Barnabas Brown.
Did you hear what I said?
Hear me here, man. Perfectly clear.
What is your name?
33 and a half Constant Spring Road.
This is not a joke, you know, sir.
No, man. Me dead serious.
Do you have any children?
Yes. 36.
36. So how old are you?
3.
Sir, are you a damn fool or a blasted jackass?
Both. Definitely both. Tell me something. Me get the visa.
Next.
Somebody get the visa.
Next.
Why that boy villa is man? Very misleading.
Oh, I told a man not know, you know. I told a boy not know how my Bex no star. See? Hey, yo, come out of the road no star. I want to take this thing for you. Take like you alone live here. Some blouse, you take like you alone live by road. Can't take them sitting here no higher. Boy got him back to get visa, right? And me see him one lend boy money, you know. And boy go out there go fool it out, you know. Saying, I don't get no visa in no star. Like saying, want to take big man for fool. Saying, watch me and them man, man. You watch me and him. Must find him, give him the money, you know. Yo, Becky. You see about the mother about the place?
Yabat? Yabat? Yabat!
Yeah.
Yes, who?
Yes, Mildred.
Come here.
You want me?
Miss Effie, come here.
Yeah.
Turn up right, yes, sir.
Yeah.
How are you going out clothes?
I did.
Where you from, morning?
Me clean up.
Me clean up my backside.
No, Mildred. Remember, so me clean that yesterday. They have pay me one go clean now.
How we are rank with?
Not.
Yes, when me come back, make sure say the house clean, the plate wash, the hog pen clean, and me dinner cook. What me say?
Yes, I must make sure when you come back the plate wash and the hog pen clean.
Don't repeat what me say, idiot. Just do it.
Yes. Yes.
One.
Yo, Diggle, what me say man now? Man a bad man.
Wicked man.
Wicked man. Hey, rude boy. And me run my yard, you know.
You mean?
My girl can't run me in my yard, man. You mad?
Yeah,
Man a house mouse.
Me a bad man.
You mad? How you mean?
You see all that chopper me get us, sir?
Yeah.
And my woman boss made you know.
See.
Man a wicked.
Man a bad man. You know? I tell you say my yard, man. Me have to run my yard. They say my brother yeah, but my brother come tell me things every day. Say, oh, him box down him woman when she go like she want this. Him just curl that and just box that down. When me say, man a bad man.
Wicked man. Wicked.
You don't know.
You mean?
Yo, see the man
Man.
ya. See the man ya.
Yeah.
See the man ya. Yo, yeah, but. Jano, respect. So what I'm to you?
Boy, I know the one Mildred again.
You have to beat her up again.
You, I never beat her up again.
Man a bad man.
Nigga, you don't know what took place a while ago, man.
Man a
Hey, Villa.
Yo.
Me say, why time? Look at me, eh?
Man a bad man.
Hey, you see me go to a hole and lick and I got so.
Yeah.
And her hand come up and lick me, you know. And she a run off.
Yeah.
And me go to a jab back and just comes a boop and lick her mouth, you know. But me just wait and start get peel lick, you know. You say,
Man a bad man.
Hear me, digger.
Yeah.
You know if you run on your yard. You must run your yard.
True, but
When me say Villa?
Man a. Yeah, but Mildred a come.
Who?
Yeah, but no. No liquor, yeah, but.
Hold on, Villa, let me go.
No, me not gonna let you come. You might thump.
Let me go in,
You gonna
man.
thump her and me again. No, man, but you gonna hurt her, man.
Villa, you don't know me
Go
talk about
on.
no man. Me say let me go, no man. But me
Yeah,
talk
but
about
no liquor again, man.
let me go.
Yo, hello.
Yes.
You wash the plate then?
No.
You clean the house?
No.
You clean out the hog pen?
No.
Wait until I reach home with you tonight.
But Villa,
Go so! Go so!
I see the method.
Mr. Picasso!
Girls are skirt. I no thinking get nothing yet. No, after the boss tell me say, anytime we in a New York, we must go for Glenn, the designer tailor, up at Dyer Avenue. Make me make 3 suits to me, you know. 3 suits, 1, 2, 3 suits to me, you know. Right? The boy go to embassy and not get no visa. You think he get nothing yet? I know say in love, touch up, woman. I can set him up, make him touch up on a Jezebel woman and watch what go happen to him. Him no know me yet. Him no know me. Actually, him no know what go on yet. So. He no get nothing yet. If you know women dealing.
Girl, them dying fi wine me. Canadian girl just find me. Boy, make sure them here girl a mind me. You think
Just
I want
anything.
girl a road alone a
So
find me. Movie star girls them dying fi wine me. Ouch girl said the whole of them find me. Boy, make sure them here girl a mind me.
What a girl look sweet, star. Now I saw woman to look. She does shape and wait. What happened about them, star? No man. This car with some good deeds. Some you get a girl and know. Watch that flex here. Trust me.
The sugar daddy orange, you know, Villa sugar daddy orange. You wanna say, yo, boom. The orange can't sing that man. Yo,
You
let's
think
show
I
us.
want girl a road alone a find me. Movie star girls them dying fi wine me. Ouch girl said the whole of them find me. Boy, make sure them here girl a mind me.
Villa orange, you know, you're
Say
most.
how me get fi know say me a refresh
Wow,
and
yeah,
guess. Me go in a aba.
See, you're tough.
Dare you? Move, man. Move from here, sir. Damn bright. Like you know me.
Yo, Villa, give me some that star.
Yo, what? My one thing on rude boy.
Why think how to know? We can't believe this star. Jano, Villa, you go on a roll, you know. You will still Villa and Gully, man.
Wagwan.
Boy, I see a girl on the like, well, you want to see the girl star, the girl look good enough. Say girl look sweet, she just shape, nice and decent, you know.
Coca-Cola,
The girl give me a box sister Star.
Four.
Boy, fish out like glass. Some boy feel a thing they unique. Be walk and talk and just like free. Half on him mind and brethren breathe. Fool run like thief. I said,
I want to eat that boy just come put it on me, you know.
Yeah, put man in the bar and send her back. Right, yes, sir. I know you're so what.
Yo, I'm tired for talk to you now, road boy. How much time I tell you so when you see people things you feel love?
But I'm gonna leave the bottom.
Yo, but style maybe a she put it there. A style like around in a road boy. You know so everything next time now. You see leaf on her bottom, maybe a she like it there. See you can't take off leaf off her bottom. That's why she box it in her hand. Anytime you see people things you feel love. See? I put it focus here and put it back on her bottom right now. If you want to make things better between you and her, because she was always just a lie. You do it again, road boy. You do it again. You don't know anything we tell you. Sorry.
No, me put it back.
Put it back, road boy.
I don't know him. Stand up here, side and just come put it on my arm. Like you know him.
Shut up. And he's a real clear girl box hot. Well, did I say? Probably a style and she like it there. I should put it on back. Why you put it down? She like it right, she like it. You put it in.
See, hey, little idiot boy, little pervert. You know me? See the boy here? I him see him want to come and touch me again like you know me. You damn pervert, you know me? You know me? Box him again.
Wait till I go for my friend Will and come back.
One thing that is right, yes sir. Look at fool.
Yo, see them here now, yo, see them here now. And the Villa sugar that they arrange them in a one.
Yo, Villa! Yo, Villa!
Yo, rude boy, I want.
Yo, Villa! There's a boy boss, don't do it, no star! A boy boss, man!
A boy box, yo.
You tell him, Villa, that
A joke, yeah, me. A boy box my virgin. Let's tell him right up the job with a PSC there, you know, so nah, man. Yo, rude boy, you see if a girl box, yo, she can't get away with that, but a boy put him on top of virgin. Yo, people dead. Yo, I don't saw where I come on. Come show me what you boy box. Oh. Yo, who box my virgin? Me say who box my virgin? Me want to know which boy box my brethren.
Yo,
Yeah,
you're not getting enough already, fool.
I him
Where you
box
come
me,
from?
man.
Are you box my virgin?
Yes, I him box.
Yes, I
I
him
box
him.
him.
Yes, I him
The
box.
positive say I box
Say
him.
man, box me is a ring like a bell. I know
Are you
you're
box my friend?
Yo,
Alright, boy. Alright, punk. You see, if you think you're bad, boxing make me see. You know why you can't get away with that boy? Because me never see when you're boxing.
back from
If
them.
you think you're bad, boy, boxing make me
Yes,
see.
if you think about it, box me again.
Boxing make me see.
Yeah,
Box him again.
Box me again.
Boxing.
fool, stop. Yo,
I want to make a way.
Box me, man.
Box him again.
box my box. Oh, you mean if I box my boxing?
Yo,
Me box you too.
punk.
Cause you're a fool.
You feel boxing make me see.
No.
That time my shoes less. Box him again. See me.
My man
Box
is
him again.
bad.
Yo, more from me, son, man. I'm too fool,
Yeah,
star.
but I'm boxing again.
Yes, man. Do not make you box me.
Different that.
I'm boxing again.
I mean if I box back. Clap here, man.
Yeah, but come here, cause this man you look like you want
Yo,
deaf you.
hey, more from me, son.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the program. This is CBN Christian Broadcasting Network. My name is Reverend Medea. As you know, Medea. Yes, Medea. Trust me, because anytime Medea, me always there. This is Medea. Anyway, tonight, my program is Let's Start, and you know, we always invite a special guest. We have a special guest here tonight, you see. Trust me, they love him so much. You are gonna love him so bad. His name is Brother Desmond, the Dan Gargan pastor. Welcome, Brother Desmond.
Bless you, Mr.
Medea.
Medea. Every time.
Medea.
Every time.
Okay, Medea, right? Yes, Brother Desmond, there's a few questions I would like to ask you, know, and the public would like to ask you too. But the first question is, what is your religion? What's your religion like?
Okay, well, first to begin with, in our divine church, we say that it's small minds that really discuss religion.
Really?
Yo.
So you don't really discuss religion?
No, not
Anyway,
at all.
what I am going to say to you people is that being in the church, you see?
Yeah.
What is it like to you? What is wrong with this man?
Well, in the church, everything is always all right. You know, if you have things going your way and just the way you want it.
Okay. Let us get to the business now. Brother Desmond, what are you doing with gun?
Listen to me. You don't read the Bible, obviously.
What are you talking about?
Well, no weapon that is formed against me shall prosper. You understand me?
Brother Desmond.
Okay.
Brother Desmond.
Yes.
You are a Christian. You're baptized.
I know that's the whole point. Me baptized, but me gun not baptized. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Look here, Brother Desmond.
Yes.
Be careful now. You know what those things kill people?
So where you check me I do with it? Caress people? What is wrong with him?
Brother
What with
Desmond,
him?
listen to me. I'm not into no joking, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. You read the Bible. You're a pastor.
Yes.
And the Bible says, thou shalt not kill.
Hold on a little bit now. You seem to be going into territories that you know not of. What the Bible say?
The Bible says, thou shalt not kill.
The Bible says, who shall not kill?
Thou.
Where me name?
Brother Desmond.
So you go look for thou and tell him that, not tell me that the Bible never say me shall not kill.
You
What
know-
the hell is wrong with you?
You know something? You know something, man. What are you talking about?
I am telling you something. I hear say a Rasta boy a fool round my girl round on my lines road. You understand me?
Listen to me.
And you see anytime me buck him, me a shut off his laps. You hear me say?
Listen to me. This is not the place for it. This is not the place for it.
This is the place for it because you question me concerning it. Okay. You have anything else more to ask me?
So why you walk around with a gun?
Is this a part of the interview?
Listen to me, Brother Desmond. Please to put away that thing for me, please.
No, I put it away anytime it is comfortable for me to do so. In the meanwhile, I'll keep it right here because I can't trust them. Boy, we are trying to run me out of my church. I wonder if you don't understand me. Okay. Now, you come in like the little Rasta boy, you know. Same way there when I bounce him, I find bike out of Harbour View. Sometimes you have to take back something back laugh. Now, this boy I ride in front of me. I drive me F-160 a gallon. No, a pure dolly thing him up in front of me. Me go take me eye off of the road because it's one nice little trick of pass. But I'm a pastor. No, I saw a beautiful Christian lady passing. So it's like I took my eye off the road for a minute. When me look, now the boy that tap in front of me, the car give one rat. No, I mean ratted. What? And my brother, I straight up in the hearing. When you look, you see lots of flash all over the place like map.
And you're laughing?
So my brother, no, me says sometimes you have to take bad things back laugh. Remember that. I'm quoting from the scriptures now. You see, when he go up in the ear, when the car lick him so, and he go up in the ear and I come down back, hear him now, hey yo, star, you have to fix my bike before I reach back down.
Listen to me. I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that. And the viewer would like to hear it.
Well, maybe we can't screw up his mouth. Him say, yo, star, you have to fix back my blur now bike before I reach back down there.
What a stupid man. I thought I was crazy, but you're a fool.
No, but
I did not. Listen to me. Listen to me. I did not say you're a fool.
hey, that's why I mean like compare them like yo.
Listen.
I am a different color pastor from anything you
I
ever
can realize
put on,
that.
you
Because
know.
I realize that you're a
No.
different color.
Look here.
Calm down, Brother Desmond.
Okay.
Don't get too bad.
No, I was
I'm too
saying that you see when him drop,
Uh-huh.
come like it better him to stay up there. No, but you know, it come like a pure test in a faith me and meet up and from there.
What are you talking about now, sir?
No, just as I was coming into your studio a while ago, I see a little girl, I don't know if she work here or whatever.
Uh-huh.
However, it come like she want to push up little front for me more than anything.
Little what?
Well, in the layman's term, we call it little front.
This is my program.
In the directory, you would say little vagina. Well, we'll leave it at that.
This is my program. You understand me?
Okay. Let me put it this way. She wanted to offer me sex. And my gosh.
Did you take
I
it or
said,
not?
how do you expect me to take it? I'm not a fornicator. I am a fire shutter. No. Well, of the gospel. Of the gospel, I mean. No, I said to her, well, look, my love, I don't make her know, so I don't want it. I said to her, I said, well, look, my love, I can't really handle that now. So what you could do, you see, fax it to me at the office in the morning, and I will get there bright and early and take it from there.
Fax it to you?
No, but she started to quarrel here now. I said, well, hold on, my love. I tell you better than that. What you could do then, you see, is email it to my website and at www.desmondcomeinathat.
So why, Desmond, so why on earth did I tell the girl that?
No, well, the reason why I said that, you see, is that well, I don't want why I want it to come through the email is that if there's any virus into it, then the computer will pick it up before it actually reaches to me. You understand?
Oh, that's very good. That's nice. You know, I have to follow your footsteps.
Well, you will have to. A lot of people are phoning
What is
me,
one thing I do on a fax machine?
Well, they also tell me that if you get a wolf machine, that will, you know, sometimes in the church it can be a wonderful experience.
You know what?
Oh my God, yes.
I am Reverend Medea.
Yes.
And we'll take a short break. We'll be back with you in a moment. You have telephone conversation going on too?
Hello? Yes, who this? Yes, are you a Grace Chillers manager now? Yes, I've been wanting to talk to you for the longest while. Yes. Hold on, now I hear say you no plan to flap my show. No, hold on here a little bit now. Yes, I'm gonna do better Blair show. Hold on. Yes, because Blair appear no more money more than me. But make I tell you something. If you can do the two show up on the same night, then everything is alright. You understand me? But one thing I know is that my show have to do. You understand me? No. Hold on here a little bit. Hold on. No, I am in the middle of an interview here, you know, sir. I have to cuss bad in front of people, them. No, hold on. No, I agree that it's you call me. Yes, but I want to chat to you first. If I never did send threatening message to you, you wouldn't call me. Good. So you're going to make me chat. No, I was saying to... No, me say you must make me chat. No, me say you must make me... chat. Where are this? Okay. No, I was saying to you... No, hold on. I am a very powerful man, you know, sir. Yes, me will pray for rain and rain come, you know, sir. Yes, but hold on. You see, anytime my rain come, I hear a gunshot in that... No, look here. Don't make me go bad inside of the people in studio. I am inside of the Christian Broadcasting Network television studio. Now make me have a fire shot in this. Wait a second. What? Me too ignorant? Me too ignorant and you don't want to talk to me? No, look here, my brother. I am sure this thing does not have to be broken out into a full-scale war. You understand me? No, hold on. You don't have to talk to me. As a matter of fact, nobody in this world have to talk to me. All you do, from me and you in a business and you don't want to talk to me, you talk to me Desert Eagle, me Big Mac 11, or me AK-47. You understand me? No, hold on. Mind before me cut your strike in short. Hold on there a little bit. Yes, hold on. I have one more thing to say to you. Anytime you don't chat, you can chat because I'm going to hang up. Okay, now I am saying to you, now the person you're going to do the show for, yes, Brother Blair, him is a man. Now the person you're talking to on this telephone is Brother Desmond. You understand? Tell me, me shut him up or hang up. I want to know who him I deal with. Me give him a telephone cut. If me have me write it, me tab up him.
You know something, Desmond?
Oh my gosh, I'm very...
You're very sorry. You know what you're doing to me?
Oh my God.
You know what you're doing to my program?
No, well, listen, they will have to understand, you know, because not everybody is going to come here and really put up with the little
Listen to me, man.
Foolish
Stop
with
it.
them.
Listen to me, man. If you ever cuss a bad word here.
No, I don't do those things. I am a pastor.
You're a pastor?
Of course.
Or you're a thief too?
You know, I think you should be very careful of your language because there are times when people say things to people that are not generally right. You understand me?
Look here.
And
I'm sorry about
there
that.
are times when people have to take certain action that might become very necessary.
Listen to me.
No, look here.
Put that away.
Keep this within the church, you understand?
Put that
Keep this within the church.
Yes, it was within the church. Okay. Thank you very much. But I have to ask a question because I get this question to ask you.
Yes.
I get to understand that you can let people have their birth certificate. And do you...
Not only that, driver's license, passport, TRN number, JPS, marriage, birth, even death certificate if you want to pretend as if you're dead.
What?
Any one of them, yes I do.
So let me ask you something. Do you charge, you just look about it for them?
No, well, we don't normally charge. What we do is ask for like a small contribution that goes toward the church rebuilding fund.
Small contribution about?
Yes, like about 20,000.
20,000 what?
No most dollar.
But you must
What
be
do you-
crazy.
What the hell is wrong with... You know, that is why enough of the church people can prosper, you know. Do you own a car?
No, I don't own a car yet, but I'll get it.
Same thing. No, you know how much Pajero... Well, I think we better leave that all for the next time. Do you have any other questions for me, please, sir?
Definitely no. I don't have no more questions yet. We'll take a break and we'll be back with you right there on our program.
I'm sure your audience is supposed to love me. I'm sure your audience is supposed to love me, you know. And I'll be quite willing and quite welcome to come back on your program. Hey, I'm in a gate, man. Hey, I hear from my friend what the news are perform for that show tonight. And me no have no money to pay, and me have to see him. Me have to see what the news, where I'm a big time friend. Me and him work at the newsroom. Oh, I treat TV, I go back to the smell yet, man.
Good afternoon, it's now 7 o'clock and it's now time for the 12 o'clock news. Early last night, late this morning, 12 o'clock this afternoon, day before yesterday, last night, today, this morning, and right away, as I about to say, the General Pickpocket Association are now complaining that since there are so many police on the street, they are not making enough money. The pickpockets are now demonstrating and asking citizens to stop bringing their money in tight jeans pants, safety lock, and touchy cases. Great tragedy is in the country. A man was charged for legal possession of sex in a donkey this morning. When Your Honor said if any man should try to sex a donkey, they'll be trying to create a crossbreed that would leave one part of the donkey human and the next part animal. The man was taken to the Sir Majestic Court and tried. Today we have this courthouse live for you. Order! This court is now called. Your Honor said, Mr. Nagalu, you have been charged for legal possession of sex in a donkey. What do you plead? Him say, Your Honor, I'm guilty with explosion. And what is the cause of that guiltiness, Your Honor? Him said, Your Honor, your mind, listen carefully for me. You see that couple where they on that donkey is me, Mickey. The four shoe on him foot tight by him and him Ricky. Now him high him tail and me see the pump man take care, burn yourself like a yandy lawyer, then forget it. Order! Order, say the court, order!
I know you them talk about cowboy DJ.
Fake. Teach the whole
fake. See me, you see when me I go check in my people, me come from south of the border and him there Mexico. So me have to talk Spanish to go over there go see him. See? Come in with it, high fashion. So last year I know, come Colonel. I'm talking some Spanish to the people there. Lord have mercy. Mr. running at the party. I put patch up in me. Slow. La 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 bamba. Ba la 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 bamba. Pedese circo wana pocha de gracia. Una mapocha de gracia. Balia balia. Balia balia. Come here, Colonel. Low now. That's when me I come check here so me talk. Talking a broken Spanish, make them hear me say.
Listen. This Spanish is from Sidewalk University. Zingford's Academy. You can go to Harvard or Oxford and learn this one. Buenos dias, señorita.
Well, alright.
Agua caliente. Mucho agua poquito. Cuanto eso dinero. Beg you tell the promoter. Yes. When me done DJero, please bring my dinero.
Hold on. Hey. People. Come on, Josie. Take it down low. I hear you make a check to the promoter. If him don't bring you dinero, what you going to do?
I will lead my
sombrero and draw pistolero.
Me gone people, love you!
Come in, Zebedee, come in. I say come in, Zebedee, come in. Zebedee, I am your father, you have to come to me like right now. Zebedee, I say you have to come to me. Come right here. Over here, come over here and sit down. Right. Now, Zebedee, I am your father. You understand me? I sell you to mother from before you're dead. From before you turned up because I know that you was going to dead. Now, the contract that was signed between me and mother is that you were supposed to work between the both of we because she cannot done pay for you. You understand me? She can't done pay for you because you value more than what she can find. So, Zebedee, the pot there empty. Me want food and you are mother. Come back here, come back here to me. I say come back, me say come back, yes sir. Okay, right here, yes sir. Good. Now Zebedee, me want money, you're supposed to be working for me and mother. As a matter of fact, mother going to be coming out of this. You understand me? You hear what I say? Okay, now Zebedee, I want you to go forth and bring money, come give me, otherwise it's not going to nice with me and Hono in ya. Me and mother I go fight, and I go see the biggest wow of the scientists. And me turn mother in a scientist, and me selling science. You understand me? And it now work, I want money like now. And me want money like now. And anyhow me not get money, you every one of them is killing me. Money, want money.
Out them don't eat pork and it's just bacon in them fridge. Tell me why some dread and bola. That is them decision then. That's how them half live. Some dread the nasty.
Man in the blue shirt, come in.
Yes, mother see her from on the back of wall. I used to your name a card. Well, me's the original okra slime from on a 9. You know, one time no crime. But me in the music business long time and can't make a dime.
Sit down.
Bless.
Not you.
Then who?
Zebedee.
Zebedee.
Sit.
But mother, you come like you seen a tree. Cause just you and me. I'm not seen a Zebedee.
Yeah, DJ.
I'm not play, I'm in a gear. Young mother, you see a man like Bounty Man, and me write them with the plan. You see all being a killer, sure, them boy they can't walk in, I'm a filler. You see all guilty crew, oh, my screw.
You can't believe them boss left you.
That's true. But mother, you just rhyme. Come up here right on time. Feel like me I can't do a thing. Yo mother, you can't sing.
You was on a stage show last week.
Mother, you see it?
Them stone you.
And my friend them too.
You salt.
Mother, that's why I come to you, come check if you're bad. Blur, nah, I should have said that from the start.
Let me hear what you can do now.
Hey, mother, hear the piece here. Look under your arm, it's a germ, it's a stain, it's the dirty man crew, 3 weeks them in the bed. Who's next on the green arm train? Come in, mother, and drive them insane.
No.
Hey, mother, what you say?
You like it?
Yo, mother, then I must, and me write it.
Not you, Zebedee.
Mother, you want me flee? When you want this Zebedee? Who is he?
Me duppy.
Mother, me in the phone.
Mama, you see it? Me tell you, me could have do it. Now this episode is complete.
Asha. Lady in the darkers, come in. Come in.
I inside already.
Not you, Zebedee.
I think I should go.
Sit down. Not you.
Zebedee.
Zebedee?
Sit!
Me?
I can see that you never really wanted to come here. You never usually dress like that. Question. You going swimming?
What?
Take off the goggles. Shh! Some spirits are with us. I can't tell if it's good or evil. Come here. In the road. Repeat after me. Hush. Blessed and sanctified in the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus, I'm breaking my shoulder.
Sit down. Sit! Not you.
Who are you talking?
Zebedee. Then why you get up? Sit. Listen now, child. Lawyers come here. Doctors come here. Teachers, Yes. Bag of thunder. They want to take you off the ear. Come Sunday, 6 o'clock. Baga, Sunday, 6 o'clock. So Miss Pam.
How you know my name?
Mother knows all and sees all. Is not Rose tell me anything? Don't bring her into this. She is your friend. So Miss Beckford get position over you.
Yes, mother. How you know that?
You did there 7 years and she just come there too and you get position and she get position over you.
Destruction of property, mother.
She give you roll on.
How you know?
I'm not tell you say mother sees all and mother knows all. You use it 3 times.
I never wanted to use it, you know. I know she up to
You use it 3 times. You know what 3 mean? 3 mean that! Sit down! Not you. Zebedee. Sit! Now look, I tell you what you must do. You need to get, you have a blender?
Of course. But you're not ordinary.
You need to get these ingredients. You need to go next, you need to get a bunch full of Felix here.
What?
The post next door. You need to get a lizard. Drop him in there. You need to get a ball of blue, 3 cream soda, and a big pot, some earth from your yard, and a pimento seed. 1 pimento seed. And you throw everybody in your blender and you press puree. Then after that, you get some water that you did leave overnight. You sit down. And then you mix up everything in the water and you take a bath.
Me to bathe with that?
You take a bath. Then after that, you sprinkle it at 3 corners of the house.
What is 4 corners of my house have?
Chop off 1! And then what I want you to do is you drink some. And then you give some to Miss Beckford. All right? That will be $500.
500. I wonder if I have so much cash.
Pay the receptionist at the desk, ma'am.
But no one is not out there.
Pay the receptionist at the desk.
So I can't go now?
Leave. You can't come back now.
You mean me?
Not you, Zebedee. Now this episode is complete.
Zebedee, you gotta take me money from the woman there for me now. Ah. Oh. Man in the green shirt, come in.
Whoa, mother, ya want Zebedee, you will. Our, they would have had all the $1,000 bill. But mother, ya go and no, but you see why people don't have to work. When you know how little hobby, you just say as a certain way. Well, I will need a few more duppies to work with me because it looks like it's doing fine. It looks very much like it's doing fine. So hear me now. Zebedee, you're good. Well, I can buy 1 Guinness, 1 cold white rum, half your beer. I got me gone clear. Every one of you should be there. Zebedee and myself, and mother is here. Good evening. Now this is Pal's Production News, and this is news time, both local and international. We'll give you the international news first, and then we break into the local. Pal's Production, the presenters of the Jamaica's #1 hit play, namely Brother Desmond, will be touring North America, Canada, Europe, namely England, Miami, New York, and you got this one right, Mike. We'll be touring London, England, the Bahamas, and Canada. Please look out for this play as it reaches your area, New Jersey, California, Boston, Massachusetts, and we got here, this is Connecticut. Is it Connecticut? No, Connecticut we got here. Well, we'll be touring all those places with the hit play Brother Desmond. So America, please to look out for this one. Before we go into the local news, we got here a public service announcement. In fact, 2 public service announcements. It says here, wanted a young girl from the country. She must have at least 5 GCE O-level subjects, which must include maths, English, and a science subject to work as a babysitter. Interested persons can call Pal's Production at telephone number 1-2-3-4-5-6-7-8-9-10. Okay, we have here another public service announcement just before the local news. It says here, a black leather bag containing 2 9mm firearms, half a pound of cocaine, and 2 pounds of ganja was left on a minibus plying the halfway tree to downtown road, and the owner can collect this at the halfway tree police station and should bring positive identification. Thank you. Positive identification, as some may say. And the people in the studio, please to keep quiet while I'm read. While I'm reads. Oh my gosh. This gets serious as we. Then if you notice, the news glasses is different from the public service announcements glasses. Okay, and the local news glasses is different from the Good evening, I'm Charles Ladd, and this is news. Hundreds of Jamaicans were today turned away from hell because the devil says that he does not want them down there, as they were only coming to make trouble and mash up his place. The reports also said that some of them had gotten there by fraudulent means, like going in wrong names and traveling on other people's death certificates. The Jamaicans were also said to have been installing fans, fridges, air conditioners, and other cooling devices contrary to the laws of hell. However, it was later discovered that the man who sent them back was not in fact the devil, but another Jamaican who was trying to overthrow Satan. He is booked to appear before the Devil's Race Court next week, Tuesday. Continuing the news. A bus which crashed into a wall today died on its way to the hospital. Am I reading right? No, hold on. Look as if it is right. A bus which crashed into a wall today died on its way to the hospital, and the driver, who sustained injuries, was taken to a nearby garage to beat out and duke. Reports are that the driver did not see the bus he was driving. Still on buses, come next year, it says here the Minister of Transport has said that conductors will have to start riding bicycles to collect their fares so as to enable more passengers to hold on the buses. Meanwhile, still on transport, the Minister of Public Buses and Travelers Affairs has said that, contrary to what some people believe, but Air Jamaica will not be digested, as he said that those planes are much too large for any one person to swallow. One man was shot and killed by the police in the corporate area after he allegedly pulled his service finger at the police. One man was shot and killed by the police in the corporate area after he allegedly pulled his service finger at the police. Sitting can go, so? No, but as a presenter, I'm not supposed to talk that colorway. Thing can go, so no, but that's not so much better either. Can sitting go? Okay, well, we'll leave that. Continuing the news. It says here, reports are that the police were driving along Lighway in Kilwan when they were fired upon by a man who pulled his service finger from his hand and said, "Pow!" And said, "Pow!" The police returned the fire, killing him on the spot. An M3-inch service finger with 3 spent nails was taken from his hand. The dead man was then taken to the morgue where he was treated and sent home. He will later be charged with shooting with himself. Continuing the news. Fire today did damage to a large section of a heap of garbage alongside the Riverton City main road and was put out only when there was no more left to be burnt. Damage is estimated at about 5.2 million cans, bottles, old papers, and other debris, and it is not known if the heaping was insured. It was also believed to have been the work of arsonists, and the firing squad police are investigating. Meanwhile, still on the firing squad, firemen attached to the firing squad are expected to go on a go-slow today in protest against what they say is the shortage of persons to fire on. Finally, in the news, the Minister of State and the Minister of State for the state, Mr. Minister of State, has stated that he is not at liberty to state the state of the state and has taken off for some states in the state to report to the Secretary of State. That's the news to the moment. I'm Charles Laird. Next news time. Please stand by for the sports and weather coming up shortly. Now for the sports. Good evening, I'm Fling with them Pena with sports. And I started boxing as junior middle welterweight title holder Broad Forearm became the holder of that title last night after he thumped down a horse and 4 cows in the title fight between the Brute and the Beasts. And still on boxing, as 2 people have been chosen to be suspended from a boxing plant after they started boxing down each other, forcing the closure of the boxing plant. Meanwhile, on now to tennis. The game at Mona was blown off today without even a ball being bowled because of the short... No, this should have been basketball. The game at Mona was blown off without even a ball being bowled because of the shortage of baskets to make the balls. Meanwhile, cricket was marred by violence today after ace batsman Florence Goh was given out when it was discovered that he went onto the field of play with a no ball in his hand. On now to ice hockey. Snow skating comes to Jamaica next summer, as one company has already agreed to import over 20,000 tons of snow for that purpose. Finally, on now to hockey. Yes, they will poison you if you pick them before they're ripe. That's it from the Earth of Sports for tonight. Next sports time when sports puts on its brief at 10:30. Please stand by for the weather report coming up very short. Yes, the weather. Good evening. Now, here's the weather forecast supplied to you by the Fahrenheit Met Office in Fahrenheit. Courtney Walsh today took 6 wickets to dismiss. Oh my God. For a moment, I thought I was Lindy. What was I saying? I'm supposed to be reading weather. How hurricane get into Courtney Walsh's name? Okay, yes. Now, here's the weather forecast. It's expected to be very funny during the morning. However, during the afternoon, we're expected to have wildly scattered flowers over the hilly areas, which could grow if we have thundering flowers over the hill interior along with rain. This could develop into what we don't even know its name during the morning, neither during the afternoon. And fishermen and small crafts are being warned that if they're on the high seas and they're nearly sure that a hurricane will develop, then they should sink their vessels and run. There is also a low-pressure system building up under the Eastern Caribbean, and by the time this low-pressure system reaches the high, then I'll be away on a vacation and doesn't give a damn what happens. The seas, I can't tell you how much it measures because it's widely scattered all over southwestern Europe, and the Caribbean basin pan could be washed away if thrown into the sea. Meanwhile, people going to the beach are advised to take along their umbrellas so they don't get wet while they're in the water. Finally, raindrops are expected to weigh 40 to 15 pounds degrees Celsius, and sunrise you will see when it rises, and sunset you will see when it sets. That's it for the weather for tonight, and thank you very much. You can tune in tomorrow and everything will be alright. Hopefully there'll be no rain. Yeah, yo! So on the check said the show is done. Well, the show not done, it just a come. You think said Jamaica Comedy Jam could have done? I'm going to show you one little piece of Desmond in church. You must be mad, man. You must be mad. Where? No, but me going like bad boy, no. Oh my gosh. Now, you can see one little piece of Desmond, and for those of you who want prayer, then you can contact me. It's $2,000 for a word of prayer, which means 10 words of prayer would cost $20,000. Oh my gosh. And you know, that's why I always say, me no want no sinners in my church. Because sinners complain too much in time to take a little money off of them. Me no want them in here. So 10 words of prayer would be $20,000. And I could give you a discount. If you don't have everything, we have it on special. That's $19,999.99. And you will also learn my collection song. Strictly $500 in the collection plate. Strictly $500 in the collection plate. Strictly $500. Strictly $500. Strictly $500 in the collection plate. All right. And so may He bless you and keep you until next week at the same time and over the same station. This is Brother Desmond, the Don Gorgon, signing off. Oh my gosh.